Where is the number one? Hindi, dali na. No. Adali. What letter is this? This is... what letter is this? Where is the... Where's the number one? Arrow. Where's the arrow? Ayun. Ganito na lang ganito para hindi ka mahirapan. Very good. Number one. Where's the number one? Where's the number one? Ayun. Good job. Good job. Where's the square? Ayun.
Mama?
How about the number 2? Sorry, number 5. Where's the number 5? Wala na si JJ. What shape is this? A star. Good job. It's okay. Very good. This one. Yay! This one. Number 5. Where's the number 5? Good job. What shape is this? What shape? What shape is this? What shape is this? Oval. Dito. What shape? What shape's that? Apple. This one. Yeah. This one. No, that's number 3. Where's the number 3? 3. Ching! This one. Actually, there's a number 3 there. Oh. Hexagon. Good job.
Mommy, agon.
Apo. That's... help mommy. Good job. About this one. This is trapezoid. Where's the trapezoid? Now we will help you. Oops. Very good. How about this one? This is... Ayun. It's okay. Oops. Ayun. About this one.
Mom.
What number is this? 2. Where's the number 2? Ayun.
Mama.
What shape is this? Very good. What shape is this? What shape? What shape is this? Triangle. This one is cone. This one. this one, number 4. Number 4. Very good. Number 4. This one. This one? No, not that one. Here. Very good. Yay. You want the fish? Fish, fish, fish. Wow. Wow. What animal is this? What animal? This is manta ray. Manta ray. Wow, this is whale. This one, this one. Give to mommy. This is? This is? Tuna. Barrow lang. Opo. This is? Crab. Very good. Huh? Takot ka sa crab. This is? Shark. This is shark. That's eel. Roar. What's that? What's this? Lobster. Lobster. Ay. This is starfish. This is barrow lang. Opo, barrow. Oops. Ay. This is this is jellyfish. This one. How about this one? Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. How about this one? There's no magnet here. There's no magnet. Alam mo kung ano yung walang magnet, ha? Give to mommy. This is lanternfish. Ito pa, oh. Good job! Yay! Finish na si Natalia. Oh, naka-ano na tayo. 50 minutes na tayo, girl. Finish na? Sleep na? Give to mommy. Oops.